episode of Lincoln Retail, we're going to unbox the LE31MP, the Lincoln 3-in-1 machine. That's coming up. Now, I know most of you out there probably use welders, and you probably already know all the stuff that I'm going to talk about. And that's fine, but this is basically for people who are just getting started, okay? This is not expert anything, okay? Because I'm no expert at anything. I'm just here just to show you the machine and to give you some ideas and show you how good this machine is and the features about it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is going to do an unboxing for you, and I'm going to show you the parts that come with the machine from the factory. So you ready for the unboxing? Hey, it's magic. So this is a machine. It looks really nice looking machine. You have your cord. This is a 110 unit. Open it up on this side. That's where you put your wire, and that's your wire feeder. You also have a diagram here, and I'll go into that later on. And then you have your knobs here. And the good thing about this machine is it has the variable knobs that allow you to finely tune and adjust it. It doesn't click on each one of those letters or numbers. They're very, you can tune it really precisely, and that's what you want. Also, it has wire, TIG, and stick lights here that automatically detect what process that you're doing. Back here we also have the on-off button and a circuit breaker, and this is the port where the hose for the gas goes into. So I want to talk to you about the hose. The gas hose that comes with it is for inert gas. This is the hose. Good hose. But I like this hose because it's a lot longer. And this is a super high quality hose. Now this hose comes from Harris. It's Lincoln's subsidiary company that Lincoln owns. And it comes with it's called a shielding gas kit, and I'll show you the regulator that comes with it later. But this hose is a nice hose, and that's the one I like to use. The machine also comes with a 2-inch spool adapter, and I'll show you that later on in the series. It's for larger diameter, larger wire spools. This is the regulator that it comes with. It's a 601 regulator. It's a very good regulator. It has all the safety features that all the other more expensive regulators have. All the Harris regulators come with a device on the inside that's a filter, and what it does is it keeps out all the trash and garbage that can potentially get in there. And this regulator is a flow gauge, has a flow gauge. There's a little ball in there, and when you hook your gas up, your hose here, and your gas is flowing, you can adjust this knob, okay? And you can adjust it wherever you need it, and this indicates that gas is actually flowing. On the other regulator, you don't know that the gas is actually flowing. You just know that there's gas to the regulator. This one actually shows you gas flow. This is the gun that comes with it. I believe this is the new gun. I'm not really sure about that. But these are really good guns. And this has got the nozzle on it for gas, which is what we'll use. It comes with a nozzle if you don't want to use gas, if you only want to use inner shielded wire. The machine also comes with 2 spools of wire. It comes with an 025. I know it's hard to see, sorry about that. It's hard to see because my lighting is not great, but It comes with 025 L56, which is for mild steel. And it also comes with the inner shield in R211. This is if you want to use it without gas. This is for stick welding. This comes with the machine. Has a cord with it. And you hook this up in here and you put your stick in here and you can weld with that. This is the clamp that goes with it. These are really nice clamps. They're real strong. So it also comes with, the machine also comes with this plastic bag that's got the inner shield nozzle and some extra tips. There's a tip. There's actually a tip in the gun, but it comes with extra tips also. And you can get all this stuff at your local big box hardware store. You know who they are. There's lots of them around the country. So you can go in there and you can buy all this. You can buy this machine with all this stuff. And they have a whole assortment of welding accessories and things that go with it that you might need. Helmets, protective wear, that sort of thing, and we'll go over that also. So check back with me on the next video to see how this machine really performs. I'm going to put it through its paces over the next several months. I'm going to build several projects and show you what I'm doing, and I think it's going to be a good learning moment for me and for anyone that wants to tune in and check it out. So I appreciate it. See you next time.